Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need to build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and maintain healthy bones and muscles. The recommended dietary allowance, RDA, of protein for adults and kids varies based on their age, gender, weight, and physical activity levels. The RDA is the amount of protein that is considered sufficient to meet the needs of most healthy individuals in the population. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with valuable tips, tricks, and insights to help you lead a happier, healthier life. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us spread the word. Thanks for tuning in. For adults, the RDA of protein is around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. This means that a person who weighs 68 kilograms, 150 pounds, would need around 55 grams of protein per day. However, some studies suggest that older adults may need more protein, up to 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, to maintain muscle mass and function. For children, the RDA of protein varies by age. Infants need about 1.52 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, while toddlers and preschoolers need around 1.1 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. School-age children and adolescents need between 0.95 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. If you're looking to increase your protein intake, here are some of the top high-protein foods you should consider adding to your diet. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain that's high in protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. 100 grams of cooked quinoa contains around 4 grams of protein. Greek yogurt is a creamy and delicious source of protein. 100 grams of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt contains around 10 grams of protein. Tuna is a popular fish that's high in protein and low in fat. 100 grams of canned tuna contains around 30 grams of protein. Chicken is a versatile and convenient source of protein. 100 grams of grilled chicken breast contains around 31 grams of protein. Black beans are a great vegetarian source of protein. 100 grams of cooked black beans contains around 8 grams of protein. Eggs are an inexpensive and nutrient-dense source of protein. 100 grams of boiled eggs contains around 13 grams of protein. Tofu is a soy-based product that's popular among vegetarians and vegans. 100 grams of tofu contains around 8 grams of protein. Salmon is a fatty fish that's high in protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. 100 grams of grilled salmon contains around 20 grams of protein. Lentils are a high-fiber legume that's also high in protein. 100 grams of cooked lentils contains around 9 grams of protein. Beef is a rich source of protein and other important nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. 100 grams of grilled beef steak contains around 26 grams of protein. Edamame is a type of immature soybean that's popular in Japanese cuisine. 100 grams of cooked edamame contains around 11 grams of protein. Nuts are a delicious and nutritious snack that's high in protein and healthy fats. 100 grams of mixed nuts contains around 20 grams of protein. Chickpeas are another high-protein legume that's popular in many cuisines. 100 grams of cooked chickpeas contains around 9 grams of protein. Milk is a rich source of protein and other important nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. 100 grams of milk contains around 3.4 grams of protein. Whether you're a vegetarian, a meat eater, or somewhere in between, adding high-protein foods to your meals can help you feel fuller, build and repair tissues, and maintain healthy muscles and bones. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying meal, consider reaching for some of these top high-protein foods. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us grow our community. And if you're looking for more great content, be sure to click the videos on the screen to watch some amazing videos from our channel. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.